Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. And your numeric is not working on the keyboard. So firstly guys, click to first step, click to start button, go to setting, then guys system and slow down to troubleshoot, then click to other troubleshoot, then find keyboard. In this keyboard and then click to run. Then second solutions, right click to Windows icon, open device manager, extract keyboard, right click to update driver, update. This is second. Now third, again right click, go to device manager, extract to keyboard, right click to uninstall driver, uninstall, do not restart, then scan to hardware changes, then automatically, and close, then restart systems. Next solution guys, Windows R, type re registry dot exe, then guys click to open, then yes. So first current user, then control panel, then keyboard, so this is not exist in your system, this one. So same as it is create, right click new and w word 32-bit and same name, and double click to value is 2, type value 2 is 2, then ok, and then close it. And the next and final solutions, then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow, you look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.